Hi, I am a human being, and this is mostly pretty cool because we're the best. We spammed all of our skill points into crafting, so now we have guns and can easily obliterate any animal in a 1v1. But even though we're the strongest species on this planet, there's still many things that animals can do better than us. Some of these abilities are flying, camouflage, breathing underwater. But the species with the best abilities are spiders. They can use the silk to fly, catch up and tie up victims, and even turn them into a delicious bag of Capri-Sun and slurp them. But the coolest ability is that they can use it as a grappling hook to get places they couldn't otherwise. And you might think birds are better because they can fly and they could get other places too, but if you think that, then you're dumb. Birds have those weak ass bones and I'm confident I could beat up any bird on this planet with just my hands. Unfortunately, unlike spiders, I can't pull rope out of my ass, so I can't do any of those cool spider things. But luckily, I can use all my crafting skills to build a machine that does it for me. So I went on YouTube to see if I could steal a good design, but all of them were really focused on video games and they weren't really practical. That's why I had to make my own, so I designed a gearbox for about 3 horsepower strong electric motor and then I added a winch to the output shaft. The next thing I did was add a mechanism which would enable me to unravel the rope really quickly. Originally I was planning to build a launcher for the grappling hook, but everything which has enough power to shoot a hook an acceptable distance is illegal in my country, so I'll have to pass up on that. Now would be the time for a 3D printing montage, but since I didn't film the process, please enjoy this video I stole from the internet.
Come on, motherfuckers, come on. Yeah. Come on, motherfuckers, come on. Come on, motherfuckers, come on. Release the brainstorm to make your motherfucking brain warm. A strange form, something kinda lyrical. Biggie the bastard, so that's kinda spiritual. Well, in God we trust, guns out bust, stop that disgusting suicide.
I quickly soldered a speed controller and a servo tester to the motor, and as you can see, it works great. So I think I'm done with all the functional parts now. I've added a heatsink to the ESC and as you can see the mechanism works fine. If I pull now on the string ravels like it should. I'm mounting everything inside a backpack so it's less noticeable and easier to carry. That's the finished product. It looks like a backpack, it still works like a backpack, it has all the necessary straps, but you can see here I've added some extra straps which carry your weight when it's lifting you up. And you can see here that the lever which releases the rope can be pulled from the outside. You can just grab on your back and pull this down and you can release the rope. Then here you have a safety plug which if you remove it, the whole energy to the whole system gets cut off and nothing will work. And here there's the throttle. I just added the servo tester to the ESC. At first I wanted to program something with an Arduino, but it works really good, so I made a test with a lot of load and as you can see I completely fucked up my gears. That's because they have a low melting point because they're 3D printed. I reworked the entire gearbox and made it a lot beefier and I also added a lot of lubrication. Now it's time for a few tests to see if the completed system works. So I will try it now with my whole body weight for the first time and we'll see what happens. Yeah, it works. It works very good. Now that I know it works, it's time to finish up some little issues, add a hook and go for some real testing. So as you can see the tree's pretty high. I'm already attached with the rope on a branch over there. And hey, is that Kevin? I really wanted to do some more impressive tests, but I don't have any kind of balconies or even higher trees I can pull myself up, and in addition to that I don't have safety gear for climbing or even a soft place to land. But besides climbing, there are some other uses for the grappling hook. For example, taking stuff which doesn't belong to you. And I don't mean stealing, since that wouldn't be family friendly and I heard YouTube really doesn't like that. Or pulling a trailer if you don't own a car.
Oh shit.
And you can even grab your deck chair after a long day of filming to relax. This is my first video, so I don't really have that much of an idea what I'm doing, but if you liked it, please consider leaving a like or subscribing, and if you didn't, leave a comment so I know what to improve in future videos.